Hello. Hello, welcome to my little urban homestead. The last of my plums, I want to preserve these. I've made jams, pies, and so I'm giving them a wash, and then what I'm going to do is freeze them in blocks of about a pound and a half each, and then they just the right amount for going out. So I thought I'd show you how I do that. So if you can see the plum, it's got like a seam down there, and that's exactly where you need to cut. You just slide and put your knife in, and you'll feel it stop because it hits the stone, and then just turn it round and it'll open up. There's the stone, and that's 2 halves done. It's very simple, easy to do, and if you're doing this, you can check over the plums as well, make sure they're all right, there's no bits on them like there are some leaves still in these. Make sure there's no insect damage. And you just keep going through, and then I'll show you what I do when I've got about a pound and a half, whatever. Just be very careful with your knife that you don't slice your finger. Like that one's got a little bit of damage to it. Not much at all. In fact, I probably wouldn't have bothered with it. So just carry on. Be very careful when you're using a knife like this and not on your cutting board. You don't want to end up cutting your fingers off, and instead of preparing your plums, you go to the emergency and have your fingers stitched. It'll impede your doing anything else. But the fruit is soft, so it isn't as though you're putting a lot of pressure on it. We see how quick and easy it is. I'm just putting them in these freezer bags as they are. Now I could stew them down, but as I don't know what I'm going to be using these for, might be pies. When I want them whole, I might put a few in a smoothie. I don't know, so I'm just leaving them like this. Might even make wine out of some of them when I've got some pectolets in. But that's now a £2 bag of plums. Squeeze as much air out of it as I can do. I'll put that in the freezer and freeze it for later. And it's as simple and easy procedure with plums. Very simple, very easy. That's nearly £2 in each bag. So £4 of plums. There isn't as many left as I thought there was. There's 3 that look a bit sort of damaged and that, and the chickens love them, so I'm going to throw these into the chickens and put these straight in the freezer as they are. Thank you. Bye.
It's a